I've always wanted a dash cam to prove to my husband when I tell him it's the other people that are crazy drivers and not me. And now I have one. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this 4K Ultra HD dash cam. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and we're gonna install this to my Jeep. It has the front dash cam and a rear. This wouldn't be considered a dash cam, a rear camera and a front dash cam. So we're going to install this and show you guys just how it works. We've got it installed and now we're hiding some wires so it'll look nice and pretty. And then we'll test it out, see how it works. Okay, so now that I have this installed, I can show you guys there is a ton of settings in here. You know, the Wi-Fi, the resolution, it jumps down here. So firmware, factory, format, time setting, language, all of these are settings you can change on this camera just by easily clicking a button on the side, which is pretty cool. These are the buttons on the side. So the top button takes a photo, the middle button goes into the settings, your SD card goes in there. So yeah, so you can access a bunch of the features and settings of this right from the camera itself. So what you're seeing here is footage from the actual camera. This first clip here was kind of taken a little bit later in the evening, so basically around dusk. You can see it's still very clear. You can see everything that's going on. This also has night vision. So this next clip that you see is night vision. Again, this was completely dark when we went outside, completely dark. You kind of see we don't really have a lot of street lights around where we're at, so you can really see how well this camera does in the dark. I was kind of hoping that like a deer would run out in front of us so you guys could clearly see that as well, but you would definitely catch that on camera if it did. And then this last clip here was filmed earlier in the day in really bright sunlight, and you can see it's catching everything. It's very clear, it's very crisp, it's very bright. I'm really, really happy with how this camera turns out. Now, as I said earlier, I do not have the backup camera hooked up yet because we do have to wire that into our taillight, which is a little bit more complicated on this car, but it does also have a backup camera. So then this is the app, and there's a whole bunch of settings from within the app. You can pause the recording, so now it's not recording at all. You can start the recording, you can snap a photo from here. You can click the map button and it's going to show you GPS locations, maps, things like that, which is actually really cool. So this is for like the GPS location of where things are shot. So if you do get into like an accident or something, you'll know where it happened. This button over here is going to show you your speed, your positioning, all of that fun stuff. So if you're driving, it's going to show you all of that information. And then inside of here, there's also a bunch more settings. A lot of the same things you can change on the camera itself, but sometimes it's a little bit easier to do within here. So the recording, the collision sensing, it will save automatically if you're in a collision, which is really cool. So yeah, really cool. Tons of settings within the app. This here is the backup camera that eventually we will mount to the back of the Jeep, and we will be able to use this as well. This will engage when you go into reverse, which is why it has to be wired into your brake lights. So eventually we'll set that up, and maybe we'll do an updated video for you when we get that all set up. But we wanted to get the main part of the video out for you guys so you guys could see how cool this camera is. So in conclusion, this is a pretty awesome camera. I'm really happy with it. The fact that it has crash detection is really cool. The quality of it is really cool. Maybe I'm finally going to catch some of those close calls that I've been in this vehicle. If you guys are looking for an awesome dash cam with a backup camera, we recommend this.